Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right app and permissions now. Open the Google/Gemini app, sign in, and grant camera and photos access. This lets the model save and reference images. Once done, switch to the image generation mode and pick an aspect ratio, 16:9 for landscape or 1:1 for social posts. Make sure to enable higher quality output in settings if available. You don't need extra tools, just ensure storage and permissions are okay before moving forward. You craft the prompt next, describe subject, style, lighting, and color palette, be specific. Then add a reference photo or take one live. Reference images guide composition and texture. Once the prompt and reference are set, choose resolution and iterations. More iterations refine details, higher resolution yields cleaner edges. If available, set a seed to reproduce results. Make sure to preview and tweak prompts incrementally. Because small wording changes produce big visual differences. You finalize by reviewing generated images and exporting the best to photos or cloud storage. Once saved, use in-app edit tools to crop, mask, denoise, or selectively regenerate regions for polish. Make sure to compare variations and keep the highest quality file. Back up to iCloud if needed. If you hit errors, check app permissions and free storage, reduce prompt complexity, or lower resolution and try again. These fixes solve most failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.